Frank Morio. I'm the General Manager of the Business Unit Structures at Roacspace in Zurich. Roacspace is #1 independent supplier of space component. It's 1,100 employees over 3 countries, Switzerland, Austria and Sweden. So we are using basically HyperWorks, HyperMesh, and now in the new product more and more OptiStruct for design optimization and especially for the activities related to additive manufacturing. The application is Sentinel-1B. It's Earth observation satellite from the European Space Agency. The support that we have redesigned is an antenna support for remote control of the satellite. So the bracket is made of aluminum. So the size of the bracket is roughly 400 mm, which is the largest additive manufactured part that has been ever made for space. So OptiStruct allows us to perform the topology optimization and to understand the load path, how the loads would distribute within the given volume of the bracket. But we used also Evolve for the realization of the design, because it allows really to generate complex geometry, complex shape, what typical CAD tool can't do. But now with additive manufacturing, you generate this kind of fluid form, and there you need special tools to generate this geometry in an efficient manner. The result is quite impressive because we could save roughly 50% of the mass of the item in comparison to the original design at the same development time. The important in the future with Altair is the relationship and this collaborative way of working, the possibility that we have to communicate as a customer our needs or our vision of products and the way these products will be developed in the future, and to have this implemented in the tools in a reasonable time frame, and which is working very well with Altair.